Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can export or transfer your WordPress site to another hosting service. So let's get right into it. Now, it's pretty much as easy as just adding a different domain to your hosting on WordPress. You just need to pick up a different domain on a different hosting service, and then you need to edit the DNS records. However, instead of changing the already existing ones, what I do recommend is you go in and create a new WordPress website, which is a blank website, which you'll just be using to connect to the new host. And then afterwards, you can start making the changes to, well, fit your previous site. Now, to migrate this, first, of course, you need to back up everything you have on WordPress. So for this, just go into Tools, go into Export, and that should export all your data. You also need to put it in maintenance mode. You should also create a new WordPress site on your new hosting service, as I've already mentioned, and you should also clean up your data and make any changes that you want. Once you're done with that, and now I will transfer over to a Hostinger article because I don't have any domains, so I can't really transfer it. But once you're done with that, then you're going to need to be using a plugin, which is the best solution that I've found, and the all-in-one WP migration plugin is good, and it does have a maximum upload size of or maximum upload limit of 256, which I do recommend you increase if your site is bigger than that. But yeah, what you need to do is just install and activate the plugin, then go into it and go into export, then go into file and select download your WPress file. And then once it's complete, just download your file and then you should be able to import it. Then you just need to log into your new site's dashboard and then go into on one migration, the plugin, click on import, import from file, and press the WPress file that you have. Once you have that done, that should be pretty much everything. And then you should just set up your permalinks again. So go into permalinks and click save changes. If you're using a custom structure, copy it over somewhere else. And then you need to reload the page, paste your custom structure, and save changes again. And if you're not using the custom structure, you can just save it twice, save the changes, and that should be it. Just to make sure your htaccess file is rebuilt on your new website, and that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.